Hi everyone, Happy New Year. And I have a cool little camera here, tiny little thing, only 3 inches tall. It's called the MATE A1. 2K video on this. Great quality video. So let's get to the unboxing and the review. Hi everyone, today I have a new tiny camera. This is by HeimVision, the smart Wi-Fi camera. They call it the MATE A1. Now what's unique about this is the size, and it has a 2K camera to it, HD. So let's take a look around the box, see what it says. Alright, some of the key features it has for this little camera is manual adjustment, a pan and tilt angle. It has handy two-way audio, advanced night vision, local and cloud storage, multiple recording modes, and human shape detection. Okay, so let's open up the box, see what we have inside. Okay, we got a bunch of little boxes in there. Let's take the first one out, put it off the side. I want to grab this thin one, start there first, and see that it's our user manual for the MATE A1. And it looks pretty complete, easy to use. Next, we have the thank you card for HeimVision. All right, opening up the second box, I see there's several items in there. And we have the charging cord, or the power cord in this case. We have a USB to micro USB ends on these cords. And I want to see how long this is. Well, wow, that's pretty long. That's about a 4-foot cord. Next, we have the power cord brick. We're also got a 3M double back tape on there for, I guess, holding down the camera, and some anchoring hardware. Okay, opening up the last box. This should be the camera. I'll pull it out here. Unwrap it. Yes, it is. Boy, it is tiny. Little guy here. You can see it's all plastic. Lifting the camera up, you can see we have the SD card slot and also the reset button. Turning around on the other side of the camera, you can see you have the speaker holes there. Also have the micro USB slot. Even the arms are plastic, but it is very lightweight. We'll take the cover off the front lens. You can see here we got the sensors, and we also got the microphone on there. All right, next I'm going to give you some measurements on the actual size of this little camera. From height, the top to bottom, it is 3 inches. Looking at it from arm to arm, it is 3 inches wide. And just taking some measurements of the camera itself, it's 2 inches in height, 2 inches wide by 2 inches deep. Pretty cool. All right, last on the measurements, well, I'm going to give you a weight of the camera, and you can see on the scale it is 2.9 ounces. That's super light. All right. Next thing we're going to do is show you how to set this camera up, get it installed onto the app. First, you need to download the HeimSmart Smart Camera app from the stores. Once you do that, you hit the plus button after you open the app up in the top right corner, which is add a device. You click on the picture that looks like your camera. Next, the app asks you to make sure that your camera is plugged in, and you hit the reset button so you can start out with a clean install. Next step is to select your Wi-Fi and your password and let the camera link with your Wi-Fi. The next step is to scan the QR code, and I like to keep it 2 to 4 inches away and raise the camera above it, and you move on to the next step. Once you're done scanning the QR code and it found it, which it did, hit the next button, and it takes you into connecting with your camera. This only takes a second or two. Then the app wants you to designate the area in which you're going to put your camera in. Simply you click on it, it says done, and there you go. The video appears nice and crystal clear. You set it to full HD and you're rocking. Okay, last but not least, I want to show you how easy it is to use the app with the camera. And we have an example of it here. And you push the button on the left, which is the speaker button. Once it ticks down, you can hear everything around you. And the next button I'm going to push is the video mode button. Everything that's being played on the camera for live view, so you can record it and play it back later when you want to. The microphone button, and you push that, the microphone button, you can have a two-way conversation with anyone. Next button we're going to click is the snapshot mode, or the photo mode. This basically takes a snapshot image of whatever's on your live view. And the last button on the right you click is the event mode. That brings up all the motion detection that goes on your camera. And the last here you see is the night mode. And it's not complete dark. There's actually light on there, but I'll dim it down. So it's pretty clear at night mode. Not too bad at all. Okay everyone, that's my review on the HeimVision 2K 3 megapixel security camera. It's a smart indoor camera for home security. You can use it as a pet or baby monitor. It's Wi-Fi wireless camera with night vision. It has two-way audio, it has motion detection, and it has human detection. You can work it with Amazon or Alexa. It's called the Mate A1. And I will leave the link down below. It's $29.99 from Amazon, so you have quick access to it. Also, they have a 20% off on it, so it's even cheaper. So I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 5-star review. It did everything it said it was going to do and more. It's lightweight, portable, great video quality, simplistic. It's very easy to use, really quick to set it up with the app. And of course, you saw the app, it's very complete. So if you think the information was useful in helping you purchase this Mate A1 security camera or any of the other products on my channel, why don't you give me that big thumbs up? And if you haven't yet, why don't you hit the subscribe button down below? And don't forget the bell to the right to catch all my upcoming videos, because I got a lot more coming. I'd like to also say Happy Holidays and Happy New Year, and I will see you in 2021 with all the new videos and all new products. So see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.